Hello everybody, my name is Michael with Joto Imaging Supplies. Today we're going to do some dye sublimation. A lot of people think dye sublimation is complicated, and that's because of the incredible results you get. But we're here today to show you just how easy it is. And we're going to do that by dye sublimating a simple tote bag. So as you can see, we've turned the press on and we've set it to 370 for 110 seconds. We've also already done the pressure, but let's show you that again now. Now, normally, if I was worried about my Teflon sheet being dirty, I would put another sheet of paper down over that, a clean sheet that I could just dispose of. But this Teflon sheet is clean and new, so I'm not gonna worry about that here today. And what I'll do is slip this underneath. You'll notice that I'm actually putting the handles in and I'm keeping the cork bottom out. That's because I don't want to sublimate or rather I don't want to press the cork. And that's just because it will ruin the cork. And you're not going to have any problem with that. You'll just line that edge up with the edge of your press like so. Piece of paper over that. That'll protect that top side from any inks that may be on the surface of the platen, right? So that won't transfer over to your nice tote bag. This is also known as a preheat. I don't always do preheats, and in fact with this item I've never really found it necessary, but I'll demonstrate it for you anyway. It's basically about getting the right pressure, and also you warm the surface of the tote bag ahead of time. Oh, that's going to be right. And then this little red button on the side will allow me to lift it back up, and I'm all set and ready. So now also my tote bag is nice and flat. The surface is perfect for receiving the image. And today we're going to be using an image actually painted by my wife, Olga. It's called Magic. It's just some mushrooms. Beautiful piece that she hand painted using watercolors. So just waiting for the press to be ready and we'll get started on that. All right, so we're beeping. So when you hear that going, just to protect the bag, put that sheet back down, press it again, lift it again. The beeping will stop on the press immediately. And now it's time to place our image. That's seeing eye. And there's really no issue, no rhyme or reason. It's what's going to be best for you. You want it in the top left corner. Make sure that you cut it so that you have a pretty fair idea of what the size of the image on your paper is, because you're going to be putting it face down. Always make sure that you don't backwards it. That's the other thing, but it's a pretty straightforward thing. You do thousands of them, it's going to happen, so forgive yourself. But simply taking that image, putting it center or as close to center as you possibly can with your eyeball, right? Putting in the top sheet over, hearing that click, letting go, and the magic has begun already. Feel like it's hard? Because so far I don't feel like it's been hard on me. We'll wait for another 100 seconds and we'll come back and show you how it looks. So while we're waiting, this is our standard Joto clamshell press. It's a workhorse. It's your basic and your cheapest model, but it does a lot of work. Here we go, 1 second left. Let's take a look and see how it turned out. I don't have to be here. It will auto-release, but I always like to be here anyway, just because, well, this is the magic moment. Well, you'll notice that there's still some ink on there, and that's okay, actually. You may sometimes even get a little bit of like browning, not burning exactly, on the outside of the paper. That's normal as well, especially if, well, you get results like this. So if this content is content that you enjoy, please like, share, subscribe, and let us know what we can do for you that will help clarify or make your life easier. Thank you again. I'm Michael with Joto Imaging Supplies.